This is Tutorial Tuesday. This is Tuesday, May, is this the 30th? 2022. It's the day after Memorial Day, or actually I'm filming this on Memorial Day afternoon. I've had company for the past several days and they left at noon and I came right into the studio to get to work so I would have a tutorial to share with you today. I have a lot of fun new goodies. I got a package from Reneabouquets and I cannot resist her shop. I keep ordering. She has a brand new summer collection. It's called By the Sea and it has all these beautiful mermaid beach themed chipboard pieces. There's starfish. There's this precious mermaid. We're going to use her in our project today. Seahorses, which we're also going to use. She's got trinkets, this sweet little flip-flop, this little like mermaid globe, a sea turtle, and I've got a couple more on the inside. These beautiful beads that are colored in all these ocean colors, a whole bunch of flowers that go with the color palette, which is nice. Look at these brand new butterflies. Sea glass butterflies. Look at the color on those. Those are gorgeous. And so this is the new summer collection, and I had also purchased for myself a new summer collection from Fern called Seaside Cottage. I'll show you a few of these pieces. I only got the 8x8 because sometimes on the 12x12 the images are just too big for a card maker. But look how beautiful this is. Really beautiful beachy colors. Beachy images. I really, really like this collection. So I thought this would be a fun match to go with this new kit. I know you guys like to see the papers. Look how neat this one is, how it goes from the sky to the sea to the sand. I like that. This really great old corrugated metal with all these vintage sea images on the back. Really, really pretty mariner's clock and keys all over print. Some little 8x8 images. This wonderful distressed texture. Look at the colors in this. So that's what we're working with today. And I also dug into my stash of Reneabouquets and got out this seashell frame. So we're going to be making a shaker frame. And then this seashell lace is also from Reneabouquets. Now I've already done the inside of the card. This is a 5.5 by 7.5. It's got a little flap page here. Here's a little seahorse, a little gift card pocket. And down here, these are the other By the Sea charms, this sweet mermaid and this beautiful lacquered shell. And I just made a little collage on this bookmark and stuck it in the pocket. Here's another one of those little itty-bitty seahorses. Very sweet. This is a really sweet beach collection. So that's all done. We're going to make the cover together. I've already put a torn piece of paper on. This is just under 5 1/4, and the tan is just over 5 1/4. And then this is seashell lace from Renee's shop. I took the beautiful board frame and heat embossed it with wow peacock embossing powder. I thought it just picked up on all the pretty blues in this collection so very, very well. So there's the frame. I backed this with clear cardstock and 3 rows of my 1/8 inch. Then I cut a 4.5 by 4.5 inch piece of the designer paper. And this is what the frame is going to rest on. I could go directly to the paper if it weren't for the lace. The lace makes it that the sequins will leak out, so you can't have that. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to turn my frame upside down. I'm going to put in some of these beautiful beads. And in my experience, the smaller ones work better than the bigger ones. So I'm just going to put these down. There you go. All right, that looks pretty good. Take take this bigger one out. I like the little ones in the frame. Then I'm going to take a bunch of these little starfish and put them in there. And I'm putting them in face down. I'll put the rest of these away for another time. And then I have a shaker mix. This is called Shells and Sand. This is from Buttons Galore and More. I'm just going to shake this up a little bit. There we go. On this piece of paper from the ephemera pack, I took this Mermaid Song. These are on the back side of the front cover, and they're fussy cut images. So I have this right here. I have this little cluster of shells, and then this little mermaid, and she's going to kind of tuck right in here like that. All right, now we're going to bring this in. We're going to line this up. Press it down. There's our shaker box. Look how neat that looks. Now you can come in. I can see I got this a little crooked. It's hard to do. So I'm going to take my scissor and trim a little bit. Okay, that's better. All right, so there's that. Bring in our card base. I have this little banner. This is also from the ephemera pack. Glue my shaker element down. Okay. Then I tied, oh, wait a minute, where's our mermaid? Is this the little one? Yes, I want to put this little mermaid right here. And I'm going to pop her up on a little bit of foam tape. There she goes. Okay, so I've got this little Seaside, it says snapshots, but I'm going to tuck this so that the snapshots kind of falls behind our frame, and that kind of balances out the banner. And I tied two little bows, one to go right here, and one to go right here. This is going to make that banner look like it's actually an integral part of the card. And then I've got a little bitty button. To go on top of each one. All right. Now I've got this little seashell ephemera piece. I put a piece of foam tape on the top half. I want to angle this in like that behind my mermaid. Actually, I think I want this big bow to go right here. There we go. And then I tied a burlap string bow to go on top of that, just like that. I think I want this bright blue flower. I think it's going to work better. Put a leaf behind it. Pop it right here. All right, guys, I know that wasn't a lot of talking, but man, I am pooped from the weekend. So at least you get to see me put the embellishments together, and hopefully I shared enough to make this worth your while. I'm going to glue this on the top of my card, and I'm going to put it in my Etsy shop. and enjoy the last little bit of my Memorial Day weekend. I think I'm going to go take a nap. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will have a linked supply list on my blog. And happy Memorial Day. This is Kathy Clement for Kathy by Design. Bye.